Is running your business feeling a little chaotic? Let me show you how to run your business on autopilot without losing your mind. By the end of this video, you'll know the three key systems that I use to grow my business without burnout. Step one is to automate your lead capture and follow up with simple tools. One of my favorite tools is System.io. I absolutely love it because everything happens behind the scenes. I can generate leads, send out emails, make offers, all of this while your girl sleeps. You need tools like this to help automate your business without being overwhelmed or driving you crazy. The link to System.io is going to be below this video. So if you're interested, just click it, sign up. It's just a wonderful tool. Check it out. Step two is to batch your content because who got time to be starting from scratch? Not me, and I know not you. So you want to choose a day that is best for you. If that's a weekend, if that's a late evening, and batch your content for the week. I recommend to my clients and my CSA members that they can start off with just 4 pieces of main content that they want to record. That can be in audio form or it can be in video form. Batch that piece of content out that one day and then worry about editing that video the next day. Don't try to do all of this at one time because who got time for that? And you don't want to be overwhelmed. You want operating your business to be simple and on autopilot. And it begins with batching your content. Step three is a industry secret that I am sharing with you, which is to use done for you content. Done for you content is going to help you save time and stay consistent. Done for you content has allowed me to be able to show up for so many years. I like to use done for you templates that all I got to do is drag and drop. I like content that already provides some of the information for me, and all I had to do is add my story, my experiences to the content. This is something that I offer to CSA members. They have done for you content sent to them every single month that they can use to create masterclasses, ebooks, workbooks, guides, all of these simple digital products to help bring in passive income in their business. So your next step is to download my free guide called Find Your Best Digital Product Offer. This free guide breaks down what you should sell and how you should sell it, even if you're just starting out. Just go to coachsimplify.com/SSPath so that you can download this free guide today. That's the simplest way to automate your business. I'm Alease Michelle, and I help professionals just like you, 40 and older, create digital products the simplest way possible. Have an awesome and blessed day, and I'll be talking to you later. Peace out.